The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra was already a monster, but the S26 Ultra leaks? They might just be rewriting the rulebook of smartphone power. What's changing? Let's find out. And trust me, you'll want to see how far Samsung is about to go. The S25 Ultra is still dominating with its 200MP camera, Snapdragon 8 Sun chip, and that crazy sharp QHD Plus display. But Samsung wasn't satisfied. Leaks reveal that the S26 Ultra could completely outclass it, not just in performance, but in design, AI, and camera tech that's straight out of the future. Rumors say the Galaxy S26 Ultra might feature a new 1-inch isocell zoom sensor, capable of capturing brighter, sharper, and AI-enhanced photos even in near darkness. Imagine taking night shots that look like daylight. Yeah, it's that wild. But that's not all. Samsung is testing a variable zoom lens system, the kind that could finally destroy every zoom king out there, including their own S25 Ultra. The leaks show a slimmer titanium frame, even thinner bezels, and this one's wild and almost bezel-less. Infinity display that melts right into the edges. It looks more futuristic than any phone Samsung's ever made. Samsung's pushing Galaxy AI 2.0, smarter, faster, and more integrated than ever. From real-time video editing to voice-based camera control. This phone might not just take photos, it might start thinking for you. But here's the twist. The S26 Ultra might not be what you expect, leaks hint at. Samsung testing a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip with custom cooling and battery optimization. That means insane performance, longer life, and possibly the most powerful Android ever built. So yeah, the S25 Ultra is a beast. But the S26 Ultra? It's something else entirely. The leaks are getting crazier by the day, and if half of this is true, Samsung might just shock everyone again. Stay tuned, because when the S26 Ultra finally drops, we'll test it, compare it, and break down every detail right here. So hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready for the future.